Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Miss Shreyashi and today I'm gonna teach you something new, something special. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make homemade chipstick. So chipstick is a very never thing. So it helps us to moisturize our lips, or even in our home we have our chipsticks, but sometimes our chipsticks have finished, and during this lockdown we don't have, we are not allowed to go outside during the lockdown. So I'm Shreyashi. I'm here with a recipe of a chipsticks. It's very easy and the ingredients that are needed are they are founded in your home, and it's very easy guys. So without any further ado, we can get started. So first we need a bowl, obviously, to mix it in, and a finished container, and then we will need a thing to mix. So the three things: we will need a little bit of Vaseline, is optional, and again we are going to need like this kind of jelly kind of Vaseline for the lip gloss. And if you want to add food coloring, then you can add, or if you don't want to add it, you just don't need to. So I have here yellow food coloring. I'm gonna add this guy. So first what we are going to do is we are just going to take out some Vaseline from it and add in the container. So I'm gonna meet you after all that. So guys, I have took out all of the Vaseline, like as much as your container fit. So as much in which your container fit, you can make your container, like you don't need to make it clean, cause we are also making chipsticks, and this is also a chipstick. So yes, so this was the first step, taking the Vaseline, and the second step is what to do is we are going to add this Vaseline. If you want to add, then you can add. If you don't want to, then you don't just need to. We are just adding 1 or 2 drops. So after that we are just going to mix it up. I'm just adding it to make it give a nice texture like a chipstick. So I'm just adding it. If you don't wanna add it, then you don't need to, cause it's optional guys. And if you like my video, please like this, subscribe my channel, and press the notification bell. And if you wanna get a notification squad, like a shout out, then you are just going to write notification squad, and you are going to follow me on my TikTok. I'm gonna just link it down below in the description. So after we have mixed it up, we are going to just add the food coloring, but I'm gonna mix it up more nicely. So I'm gonna meet you after I mix it up after like 10 or 5 minutes, cause we need to mix it up very nicely for 10 or 5 minutes. So up to then, bye guys. Guys, I have mixed it up for a while, and now I'm gonna again add a little bit of more Vaseline. So I have added more Vaseline. So again we are going to just mix it up. If you don't wanna add more Vaseline, you can make it as much as you want the texture of the chipstick. So the more nice texture it will get, the more beautiful and it's good smell looking it will become. Or if you wanna add some essence, like some smell on it, then you can just add some vanilla essence or some rose essence. But I don't wanna make it, so I only wanna make it like the smell of this guy only, so I only use Vaseline because I only want this smell because I love the smell of Vaseline cocoa butter, and it's not sponsored, guys. I'm just telling you, and it's not sponsored. So again, I'm gonna mix it until it get like a butter texture. So I'm gonna mix after all that. So guys, it has got so nice buttery texture to it. Like, I'm just amazed, guys. You can see this. Like, it has got the texture of butter. So after it has got the texture of a butter, I'm gonna add some coloring. Like, you should add food color because we are going to keep it in our lips, and it should be edible, because if we didn't get that, then I don't know our lips. So we should use food coloring, edible food coloring. So guys, I have to cut some coloring, so I'm gonna just add a little bit because a little drop will be good. So it's yellow food coloring. If you wanna add other food coloring, then you can just add. I've got this kind of. If you wanna add different kind of, there also are available the drop one, and I'm gonna add just a one drop because I don't want to make it too dark color. So I'm just adding it. So we are going to mix it up, mix it up. It's getting so much good yellowish color. So by using food coloring, it will not changes its smell or its taste. So it is full safe, it's edible, but you are not going to eat it up. So after that, you can see it has got so much nice texture. I'm already telling you, if you don't want to add this up, then you don't need to, because it's all optional. The Vaseline and the food coloring and optional. If you don't want to add it, you can just add some little bit of salt, or you can just add some little bit of Eno to make it nice. So I'm gonna make it more nicer by adding a little bit of Eno, or if you are adding all of these things and if you don't want to add Eno, then you don't need to, because it's all optional, guys. If you are not adding this, guys, like this one and the food coloring, you should add Eno, but if you are adding all of this, then you don't need to, it's optional. So I'm gonna add it in. We are just going to add little bit of, and we are going to mix it, adding and mixing. So we are going to do the same. So I'm gonna add more, a pinch of, like I love to eat, oh my god. I love it, So after adding 2 pinch of, you are good for your chopstick. And if you add then it will give a different taste to it. Like, if you added too much then nothing will happen. It will just give a good taste to it, smell to it. So that's why. So I'm gonna add more because I love the smell of the I'm using the lemon flavor. You can use any flavor. So instead of essence, you can add this for the smell. So Instead of essence, you can just use this because it's good than essence, and you can find it anywhere because essence are only find at supermarket or anywhere like that, but are find anywhere. So you should use So after you added or anything that you love, or you can just add some little bit of flavoring to it, essence to it, to give a good smelly flavor, yummy flavor. And it looks like butter. I choose yellow because it will look like butter and it will look more yummy. And oh my god, so after that, after all of this, we are going to add it on this container. So here I have got my yummy chew stick. So I'm gonna add it on this container. So after, I'm gonna meet you after I add it on the container. So guys, I am all done adding it. So after that, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna clean all of this up, and I'm gonna meet you after all of this. So guys, after all that, we are going to keep this on the refrigerator for 1 or 2 hours, and you will see the results. So I'm gonna tell you the results after in my second vlog. So after then, bye guys.